Good morning, my dear students. I am your social teacher of Class 4. Today, we are going to see Lesson 14, our Industry Part 2 video. In Part 1 video, we learnt about what do you mean by industry, facts needed for industry, which means 5 side headings will come: raw materials, machinery, labor, power supply and transport. Then we discussed about the types of industries. In that we discussed agro-based industry, mineral-based industry and forest-based industry. Up to this we learnt in the previous video. Now a small recall, then we can move to new topics. Okay. Industries play a vital role in the growth and development of a nation. The progress of a country depends on a great extent on the growth of the industry. Industry is the place where raw materials are converted into useful finished goods. The basic materials needed to manufacture any product are called raw material. Students, I already taught you in the part 1 video what do you mean by raw material. Agriculture products like cotton and sugarcane are used in textiles and sugar industries. Factors that defines the location of an industry. There are many factors that decides the location of an industry. The first thing I already taught you. The very basic thing is money, finance or capital, without which we cannot set up or run an industry. That is the main thing, isn't it? If we don't have any money, we can't run industry. Industries are set up on the basis of availability of raw materials in an area. For example, textile mills are located near cotton growing areas, isn't it? Sugar industries are set up where sugarcane is grown on a large scale. Most industries need power for running machines. Hence, power is an important factor. And transport are also important aspects, as the raw materials have to be brought to the industry and finished goods have to be carried to the market. Isn't it? So, all these things are very important. Now we can see the types of industries. We have agro-based industry. What do you mean by agro-based industry? They are used agriculture products as their raw materials. The next topic is mineral-based industries. They used mineral as their raw material. For example, iron and steel industries. What is the raw material? Basic raw material? Iron and steel is the basic raw material. With that, they will run the machines, isn't it? And the third topic is forest-based industry. They used forest product as their raw material. For example, shipbuilding industry, so many herbs are there and they will use wood for their products. Now, we can move to basis of sizes. Industry sizes. We have so many industries in the country. We divide these industries into 3 parts. One is cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. In our book, they gave first as a large scale industry, but we can move from cottage industry. Okay. So, set up caste. The first topic is set up caste. Based on the caste, they will divide this industry into cottage, small scale and large scale. And the second point is equipments used. What equipment they are using in all their industry. And the third topic is labor size. How many laborers are there in their industry. Now we are going to see cottage industry. Cottage industries is a very small scale industry. Okay. People working in cottage industries are often the members of the same family. They use simple tools and raw materials to make goods. This kind of an industry gives simple products such as pottery, candles, baskets, pickles, jams, juices, biscuits, embroidery dress, craft and gift items. All these things are cottage industries. For making all these things, they won't use very big machines, isn't it? With their hands, they will do all these works. While the cottage industries are very small and they use simple raw materials for the production of goods. People working here are often quite skilled. People from all over the world come to buy beautiful handicrafts made by them. The second topic is small scale industries. In small scale industries, there are more people working and simple machines are used. People work in factory to produce goods such as electrical and plastic items, utensils, garments, bicycle and automobile parts, soaps and shampoos. For making all these things, they need a few people. The third topic is large scale industries. Textile, iron and steel mills, automobile industries, making cars and other vehicles, oil refineries and cements and chemical factories are some large scale industries. Such industries are big, very big, and have hundreds of people working in them. Huge machines are used in such places to produce goods in large numbers. Some industries need a continuous and huge supply of raw materials. They also require huge amount of electricity to run the machines and a good transport system to send the products to different places. For this, they need thousands of people. Students, now can you know the difference between cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry? Now we can move to the next topic. Some important industries in India. The first topic is iron and steel industries. Iron and steel industry is the most important as almost all machines needed in other industry is made of iron and steel, isn't it? So whatever the machines we are using, everything made of iron and steel industries. So iron and steel is the very most important industry. So Jamshedpur in Jharkhand, Durgapur in West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Salem in Tamil Nadu are centers of iron and steel industries. And the next topic is cotton textile industry. Cotton textile industry is one of the oldest and largest industry in our country. Nearly half of this industry has its mills in Gujarat and Maharashtra. So, what is the basic raw material here? Cotton balls. The third topic is sugarcane industry. Sugar industry in India is another important industry of the country. There are many factories in our country which produce enough sugar for consumption within the country as well as for exporting. The next one is oil refineries. Oil refineries provide raw material for industries like fertilizers, cosmetic, rubber and pharmaceutical industries. They are located in Assam, West Bengal, Bihar and Gujarat. The next topic is shipbuilding and automobile plants. What do you mean by shipbuilding? Making ships. Visakhapatnam, Mumbai, Panaji and Kochi has a famous shipbuilding yards. What do you mean by automobiles? Running vehicles. Bus, car, bike, lorries, all these things are automobiles. Plants are located in Ahmedabad, Gurgaon, Jamshedpur, Pune, Kolkata and Nasik. The next one is electronic and engineering goods. What do you mean by electronic and engineering goods? Domestic appliances and machinery like tractors, pumps, telephone, TV, typewriting, computers, all these things are electronic things. They are manufactured in Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Students, now we can move to reform measures of industries. The development of industries is essential for the development of a country. The goods produced in the industries are sold inside and outside the country. Industries provide work to many peoples. It creates so many pollutions, air and water pollutions and deforestation. Smoke from the chimney of industry is a major cause of air pollution. At times, industry waste is carried out by rivers and it pollutes water pollution. So, we must be sure that pollution is minimized and that our resources are protected. Anyhow, we are having some drawbacks about the industry. We are having some importance of industry. Many people get employment. Economic condition of a country improves. It helps in improving the people's standard of living. Industries are very essential for the progress of a nation. Students, can you understand about this industry? Okay. Read this lesson thoroughly. Thank you, children. Have a good day.